In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your air filters on your Mercedes-Benz C300. It's located under the hood. We're going to remove this cover first. You're just going to pull up on it and set it aside. And now we're going to remove these two airflow tubes. Ours are not correct. Yours should just unhook from here. And right here is another tab where you'd push in and pull this off. Do that for the other side as well. Again, ours is broken. Now we're going to unhook this hose here by just pulling it off. And then you're going to lift up on either side and unhook the rest of this. There should be 4 clips that are holding it to the engine, like so. Now I'm going to flip this over. Now that we flipped it over, we're going to bring this over to our bench and we're going to unbolt it. Several bolts to undo, and then the air filters will be under here. Using a T25 Torx bit, we're going to remove these bolts. They only go out so far, and then they just stay in place. Once you take them out, you pick your assembly up. Now you can remove the air filter. And now we're going to dump this in the trash and put the new one in. Now we're going to put it in face down. Press it in. Now we're going to flip it in. Line up the bolts with the holes. Make sure it seats properly. And now we can tighten it down. Do the same on the other side. Now that we've installed our air filters, let's get this back in the car. Slide it into place. Make sure the square is lined up. And then once you're lined up, you're going to push in. There's 4 points that you have to push in. Now we're going to install our airflow tubes. Notice where the curve is and line it up accordingly. And then push it onto here. Yours should line up, ours doesn't. Do the same on the other side. Make sure you put your tube back on. Slide it on. And now we can put our last cover on. There should be 2 clips here. We only have 1. And there should be 2 grommets that fit into these 2 spaces. Line things up. You're going to see 2 slits here that fit into that groove. Like that. Should snap into place. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.